Hey guys, this is HP Deskjet 2710. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network with your computer. Okay, how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network to your computer. And I want to bring the camera for you to see. You can see this printer, the Wi-Fi is flashing, and this is for you to switch this printer on and off. This is LCD screen for this printer. You can see the ink measurement. This button here is for you to cancel, and this button here is for you to resume, and this is the Wi-Fi button, and this is information button, and this button here is for you to copy color, and this is for you to copy black, and this is the scanner for this printer. Now what you want to do is to connect this printer using our computer. Okay, so switch the printer on and wait, and you can see a blue light is flashing here. You can see the Wi-Fi button. Okay, you can see the Wi-Fi button is flashing. Okay, and what you need to do is put the printer in a wireless mode. Okay, but first of all, let's search for this printer. So go to your printer, go to the printer and look for HP Microsoft Store. Okay, type HP Smart App, HP Smart App. Install it on your printer. Okay, click it. So install HP Smart App. Click it, open. Okay, and it's opening up. Now what we need to do is we need to look for available printer. Okay, add a printer. Okay, and they will start to look for available printer. So what it's doing now is searching for printer. Now it's telling us no printer is found. The other thing you need to do, then you need to put the printer in a wireless mode. So press the Wi-Fi button and the cancel button at the same time. So Wi-Fi and the cancel button at the same time. Okay, and release. Okay, and you can see once you press both, and so now what we need to do is you can see wireless quick start. Okay, and this is wireless quick start guide. Okay, so now this printer is in wireless mode. So what we need to do is we need to search again for available printer. Click search again. Here we go. So we found the printer HP Deskjet 2700 series is found. Okay, so select on the printer to set up. Time to connect and manage your printer. Time to connect and manage your printer. Select continue. Okay, access Wi-Fi password for the following. No, thank you. So I need to put the password by myself. Okay, so now we're going to put the password for this information for the Wi-Fi network. Then we'll go ahead. So what I'm doing now is going to put the password for the Wi-Fi. If it asks you to put a capital letter, make sure you put a capital letter. Okay, then you press I sign to double check the information you put. Okay, if you're happy with it, if the information you put is correct. So what I'm doing now is checking the information again. Now the information I put, so the information I put is not quite correct. Okay, so I'm going to do this again. This is the essence of it, so make sure the information you put. Okay, just checking again if the information. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Okay, so once you put the information, okay, the Wi-Fi password, click connect. Okay, and printer is found. Okay, the next is configuring the network. Okay, so it's sending network information. Okay, and press the flashing information button. Press it and release. So what he's doing now is configuring network information. Okay, printer configured. Join network. Here we go. Printer connected to network. You can see it. Printer connected to network. Okay, printer connected to network. So now the next you need to do is click continue. Okay, once everything is fine, it will say, can say printer is connected to network. Okay, so this is exactly how to do this. And if you look here, it will also show you the printer. The Wi-Fi is no longer flashing and is connected to network. And if you look from the printer, it will show you printer is connected to network. Okay, then the next is getting information. Okay, so now what you need to do is go to the printer. Okay, setup. Okay, time to connect the printer. Okay, so click continue. So I'm going to put a password again. So this printer now is connected already, but you need to make sure you finish the connection. Okay, and double check if information you put, if you're happy with the information you put. Okay, click connect. Okay, so okay, printer found. Connect internet, click connect, continue. Okay, and here is the printer, HP Deskjet 2700 series. Okay, so this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Hey guys, this is HP Deskjet 2710E. I want to show you how to restore this printer network reset, okay, or network default. Okay, to set this printer, if you want, okay, this printer maybe connected to network, then you change your mind and want it to go back to restore network reset. Okay, select on the printer image. Okay, scroll down, select advanced settings. Okay, once you select advanced settings, click OK. Now I can see HP Deskjet 2000 all-in-one series. Now I can select, go to the settings. Okay, you can see the next, once you select settings, it will show you preference, power management, security, restore default. Select restore default. Okay, and the next you will see is, once you select restore default, restore factory default or restore network settings. Select restore network settings. Okay, now it will ask you access secure setting. So you need to put print pin, find the label located inside the cartridge access area of your printer and enter the pin below. So open up the printer. So there is a pin number here. Okay, so I'm going to put the pin number. Okay, and once you put the pin number, click submit. Okay, and you can see restore network setting. Select restore network setting, click restore network setting. Now I'm asking you why the printer is restoring network's default. It will not be available for use. Are you sure you want to do this? Click yes. So now this printer is restoring the network. Okay, restoring network default. This process might take several minutes. Okay, and if you look here now, you can see this printer is no longer connected to Wi-Fi network and is flashing. This is to show you that it's no longer connected to Wi-Fi network. Okay, you can see restoring network default. So this is how to do this. So basically, if you connect the printer to network and change your mind, okay, so restore the printer to network default, so whereby you will not be able to do anything with the printer again. So it's no longer connected to the network. You can see, okay, and you just need to wait. Restoring network default. Okay, so you can see, click restore network if you need to reset wireless or wired Ethernet setting, such as proximity setting, or need to reconfigure a network. Caution: restoring the printer network setting, reset the following. So the wireless network, any configuration proximity. As a result, the web service might not work properly. Okay, so this is exactly how to do this if you want to restore network. Okay, so now this printer is no longer connected to network. Okay, if you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel, and thank you very much. So this is how to restore printer network, so that you can go back in and start to connect the printer to Wi-Fi network again, or if you want to give it to somebody else. Okay, so now what is doing is, if you want to connect it back, you need to go back again and connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. But this is exactly how to restore network default. Thank you.